Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I want to show you how to remove background from a picture. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Chrome browser or any browser that you have, then come and search for remove BG. So this is it. Then you click on their official website, which is this first link. Click on it. So click on upload image. Select the image that you want to work on, and automatically the app is going to remove the background for you. As you can see, the background is gone. So click on this download option and select preview. Once select preview, the file will be downloaded to your gallery. Then you can open. As you can see, go to our gallery. Here is the app. As you can see the difference. So you can equally remove background on multiple pictures by clicking this plus sign. Select a different picture and then the background will move automatically. As you can see, then click on download as usual. Click on preview to download the file. File downloaded. You can click on open to open it. So that's how it works. And this is a free website where you can remove background from your pictures. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I upload new videos you'll be first to get notified. Comment if you have any questions. Share this video with your friends so that I can also learn as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.